the greatest of our podcast, which is called In Fairness Ha. So, anyway, so let us introduce ourselves. So, my name is Carl. I am a Virgo sun, Sagittarius moon,
Alam mo yun.
Scorpio rising. Alam niyo ba yun?
I'm a Virgo slut. Charot.
Virgo ka rin? Talaga?
September 8.
Oh my God, birthday
Mama
mo si
Mary.
Birthday mo ex ko. Ay,
Mama Mary.
Mama Mary.
Pero ang ugali, hindi pa Mama Mary.
Mary Magda. Before the transition.
So, ano ba? I am 34 years old last year. Ano ba sabihin ko tungkol sa sarili ko? Anyway, you'll find out more about myself as we go along in this podcast.
Yes. Hi, my name is Kim. I am 26 years old, a Taurus, and I'm a Cancer. This is science. I'm also unemployed.
Naiyak. Hello, I'm Mark. I am 32 years old. Yes, hindi alam. Kasi sabi nila lagi akong bata. Kaya minsan hindi ako nire-respeto ng mga tao. Wow!
Parang may kulit.
Oo nga eh.
I'm also a Virgo, pero hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga sun, moon, and stuff.
Alam mo na yung sun mo, moon? Virgo.
Ayun ba yun? So I'm a Virgo, and I was born during the year of the monkey. Oh, yun ang alam.
Ay, meron siyang ganun. Ano yung sa'yo?
Horse.
Horse, rabbit.
Oh.
Very petite lang.
Talaga?
Well,
Oo nga, kaya petite yung shorts mo.
actually, petite siya nga.
So, bakit ba natin gagawin yung podcast na to? Anong reason mo, Kim?
Well, right now, wala talagang ginagawa. So, kailangan ko ng social interaction. Bilang unemployed tayo.
Lagi ka na sa bahay.
Yes, like usually, I'm always alone. I like being alone. But at the same time, I also need social interaction kasi masyadong tahimik.
Gusto mo magulong buhay.
Gusto ko na makinig. Kaya nga, lumipot ako ng metro.
Live for the drama.
Yes.
Exactly. How about you, Mark?
Ako, hindi ko alam actually. I think marami lang akong energy. Like minsan, minsan nilalakad lang nila ako sa gabi. Para
Sino
maubos
naglalakad
yung
sa'yo?
energy. So?
Kasi sabi mo, sinilalakan nila
Nilalakad siya sa
ako.
gabi.
Hindi. Naalala ko yung nasa Baguio kami. Parang 12 midnight na, kasi ang dami ko pang energy. Wala nang gusto maglakad sa labas, pero marami pa akong energy. So, nilakad nila ako.
So, is it
Para
safe to
mapagod.
say na walker ka?
White walker. White walker.
Ano magtatanong sa akin?
Fine! How about you,
Di ba
Mark?
interested sa akin? So, bakit nga ba? Actually, no, it's more of like, I like listening to podcasts. So, minsan kapag may mga topic kasi sila, parang gusto ko rin makijoin.
So, in short,
So,
nainggit ka.
Ingitero na ako.
Actually.
Di ba kayo nainggit no? Yung pandemic?
Well, nung pandemic, yeah, mas maraming lumabas na podcasts, no?
Yeah.
Pero sometimes, yun, may mga podcasts na you don't relate to them kasi hindi sila yung type mo. For example, hindi ganun yung buhay mo eh. So, I guess it's also a reason why we're doing this.
Kasi relatable ka.
Not relatable, pero I feel like there are some people that could relate to every individual na nagsasalita sa mic nito.
Ay, oo. Anong favorite yung podcast? Kasi hindi ako mag-podcast. Ang alam ko lang yung kay na direct something.
Walang kwenta.
Ay,
Yes.
shout out moment na ba to? Shout out po!
Hindi, parang ano yung mga inspiration
Yeah.
for podcasts?
Actually, I like AWKP also. Parang member na ako ng FB group nila. Parang kaka-announce pa lang nila yung level. So,
Pare, top badger ka na ba doon?
hindi ko nag-comment doon. Pero like, yeah. Parang episode 2, 3 pa lang na-discover ko na sila. So yeah, I really do like that.
Yung,
Right.
Trixie and Katya. It's the most random shit, but at the same
Yeah.
time, it's relatable. Parang, you just talk about everything, everyday things in life.
Ikaw wala kang na-encounter na podcast.
podcast.
Aside from-
Yun lang din. Kasi hindi ako ma-podcast. Kasi antukin ako. Pag hindi nakakatawa, baka makatulog lang din.
Oo. So, importante sa yung ma-entertain.
Ay, meron pa. May naalala ko before podcast siya ata. Parang mga murder, mystery, Kevin na ano.
Ay, ang plenty
Yeah.
yan. Ang plenty yan. So,
Ganon. Kasi siyang pakinggan kasi parang nag-wild yung imagination ko. Ganon.
tsaka meron mga podcast na parang Philippine ghost horror stories, gano'n.
Yeah, yung mga review drama.
Yeah,
Review
ginawa
shows.
ng podcast. So, ito pala, ang ano, parang may bagong character tayong nakita. So, siya yung ating, ano, Diyos na, paminsan magsasalita lang yan, magko-comment.
Overlook.
Like, ano yung magiging standout natin kung bakit tayo nagpo-podcast? Ano yun? Something unique. Yun yung gusto ko sabihin.
I would say, thank you for that wonderful question, Judge. And my answer to that is ourselves. We are unique.
Oh,
All one of us. We are stardust brought to life. Alam niyo ba yun, di ba? Di ko natutunan yun
hindi
sa
ba ako
science.
cultured enough? Charot.
Baka sa science yun.
Science?
Oo.
Natulog lang ako sa class.
So I feel like that's it. Plus, I feel like all of us, wala tayong clout. Right?
We don't have that.
Wala.
Ako, I don't have. So I think that's something unique, I guess, about us. Because nobody knows us. So get to know us by watching.
Define cloud.
Cloud! Yung kapag umaga, di ba? Kapag ma-cloud nun.
So sabi ko sana, di ba, kapag yung tubig, nag-evaporate.
Hindi cloud siya.
Nagiging, ayan, science, ano naman.
Cloud kapag yung sa kapag nagkaroon ka ng sa dugo, tapos
Blood cloud.
Ikaw, ano entry mo?
Wala akong maisip.
Alam mo, mataas
Ano
energy
yun?
mo.
One of the Barreto sisters, si Ate Cloud.
Si Cloud.
Oo.
Cloud Barreto.
I think that's one thing na iba sa atin. We don't have any cloud. We don't have much following. So, this is something very bold.
Yeah, I can be a little bit bold in a sense. Bold. Ang Tagalog like that's yun. We can be a bit bold in a sense na even if, I don't wanna say it, but huwag na nga lang.
Ano yan?
Like, inisip ko like, even if you cancel ako, ako personally, bakla, kina-cancel na sa akin.
Wala. Walang makakancel.
Yeah. Kasi may madaragdag ko siya sa...
Sa cloud?
Hindi. Sa ano, sa what makes us unique.
I feel like unique naman lahat ng tao. So, kahit sino atang mag-podcast, unique sila.
So para silang toothpaste.
True.
We all have different stories to tell.
Alright, so keep on watching so you'll find out what our stories are. Once again, my name is Carl,
My name is Ken.
And I am Mark.
and you're watching
In fairness, ha?
Mapapractice natin ito guys, kaya natin
Ano yung
ito.
tono ng in fairness ha?
We will find out eventually. I feel
In
like we'll be strong.
fairness,
In fairness, huh? Ikaw, ano sa'yo?
In fairness, ha?
Ay, taas agad.
Taas
agad.
Yung Chris Aquino
Iba din
dito.
siya.
Ah,
Bakit?
In fairness ha? Oo nga.
why? Why nga ba?
I mean, whenever
Kim,
we're in
question.
a conversation, I think it's one of the most said phrase. Well, hindi ko alam sa I'm not speaking for everyone, pero sa atin,
Hmm.
like whenever we agree, or it can be shaded that in fairness, ha, good for you. So,
Or
parang
parang
there-
relate.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say so. Na parang in fairness ha, is like part of like the gay lexicon already. So,
Lexicon!
It's part na talaga of the gay lexicon already, or gay colloquialism in terms of like making our opinions and thoughts on topics known, I guess. So I feel like maganda yung fairness na. Kasi I feel like yun din naman yung point natin, to tell our thoughts and opinions on the topics that we have for the episode.
Tsaka yan yung mga parang pag sinabi, hindi mo alam na tama pala. Like relatable pala. In fairness ha? Hindi ko hindi ko akalain na oo ano, diba?
Yeah,
Makes
it's
sense.
ako nga moment.
Eureka moment. Oh, Eureka.